Hey guys, Frank here and welcome to this intro to our brand new tutorial inside the model shoot. Now, in all honesty, we've released a lot of instructional videos over the years and have written a lot of books. But there are always questions that return and there's always new stuff that we can teach you guys. So in this tutorial, we are talking about workflow, tethering, gear, also our new strobes of course. We're talking about the use of softboxes, the difference between softboxes, why you can use an omnidirectional light source. We're going to talk a lot about color, not only for accent colors and what colors do with evoking emotion, but we're also going to show you how you can use red, green and blue gels to create a beautiful image without using any normal lighting. So no white lighting, only 3 gels. I take you through several lighting setups. And of course, we're going to show you how you can build a super creative set with our model and stylist Nadine and how to light it. In other words, it's another video that's jam-packed with information that has a really high tempo like this. And of course, if after the video you have any questions, just email us and we will always reply. So if you want to learn more about photography, if you just love model photography and want to know everything about it, check out our brand new tutorial called Inside the Model Shoot. And it's exactly that. We're going to take you inside our model shoot.